Hello everyone, welcome to GZTECH channel. As we know, comparing with traditional cleaning methods, there are lots of advantages of laser cleaning, such as environmental protection, no damage on the substrate, precise cleaning. Laser cleaning can not only remove dust, paint, oil, but also oxide layers, coatings, corrosion. Today, I'd like to introduce our new around machine, backpack laser cleaning machine. There are 4 power options for you: 100, 200, 300, and 500 watts. Now, let's make an example of 100 watts and show you how to use it. Okay, first, the most important thing, let's wear protective eyeglasses. Now let me introduce the machine for you. On the bottom of the machine, there is a power switch. When we press on it, you will see the material level like this. On the side of the machine, there is a red button. It's an emergency button. When there is something wrong, we have to stop immediately. We can press on it like this. On the top of the machine, there is a green button. It's the key switch. Now, let's press on it. Okay, now let's select the language. There are many languages for your choice. Today we choose English. Okay. Then let's select scan mode. We offer you 8 modes. Okay, now we choose circle ring. And then, the most important thing, let's press on the enable switch on the right. It will show you yes or no. Now let's click on yes. It means the machine will begin to work. And now you can hold the head and press this button on the surface of the material you want to clean. Let's compare the effect before and after use.
Few moments later.
That's all about today. See you next time. Bye bye.